Welcome to engineering at Gloucestershire College. For decades, we have been training the next generation of skilled engineers through high-quality courses and apprenticeships.
Engineering at GC has got a long history. We've been working with employers for many years to improve and build on the courses. Our lecturers have industry experience, and that really helps engage the learners and helps them achieve their apprenticeships.
I decided that I wanted to do something that was more hands-on, and that inspired me to become an engineer. The things that have been really good at college have been using the machinery that they've got here. The facilities are really good. Their tutors are really experienced, so it's really good to have that kind of knowledge. It's one of the best things that I feel that I've done.
What I like the most about working with apprenticeships is that they come in with a work-ready attitude. They come in on time, they do the work, and it's great to see their progression.
When you're hands-on with the stuff, it really gets you prepared for what you're going to do on a day-to-day basis. Pair that with the knowledge, and I think you've got a really good repertoire of skills to go into the workplace with.
We work closely with our employers to meet their needs, and that's through being abreast of changes to apprenticeship standards. We also support learners in college with their academic studies. That means we can enable our apprentices to achieve the best they can.
College has been very beneficial to my development. They've made sure that we're getting all the support that we need. It helps that all of our tutors have got a background knowledge of engineering industry, and I found that I've found myself within the community of engineers, and I feel at home at the moment, which is quite nice.
By partnering with GC, you're not just investing in your business, you're empowering talent, driving innovation, and shaping the future of your industry. Let's build this future together.